Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 11th, 2021. We wanted to come in, give everyone who's interested in Yearn finance an update as to what we're seeing against the price. Can we still be in position, expect the market in Yearn finance to go higher? Well, you're at a great place because we will tell you what we're expecting the price to do so that we can win and be in position and dominate the trap, right? This is what we're all about. So if today is your first time ever seeing our video and our content, we're here, the doors are open. Hit that like button, share, and subscribe to the channel, because for you and I, one of the biggest, most important things we need to understand is that in order for us to win, we got to get in a position. We got to be in the position of where price is going to go so that we can take the bag from the trap. This is how you're able to do it the unconfusing way. We've been on this particular platform going on about 3-4 years, and we've been showing you how you're able to predict prices without being confused, without using technical indicators, without playing on articles, without playing on tweets. None of that is important when it comes to the price. Everyone ideas, the consensus of everyone who participates in Yearn finance is already here on the chart for us to digest. And once you're able to do that, you'll begin to see what's really going on in the market. So join us. All right, so now real quick, Yearn finance, June 23rd, you guys can see, which is right here. We played the strength into the market in Yearn finance, and here we are today. We're definitely in profitability right here though. July the 7th, the market in Yearn finance almost topped out right there at our ultimate TP price. Okay, see that? Barely. We fell short, right? We had our TP price around $39,000. The market in Yearn finance on July the 7th came all the way up there to $37,783.66, right? All right, cool. Now the question is, can we still see the price in Yearn finance go higher? Can we? Because if so, we can maintain this prediction, or we can anticipate the price to go a little bit higher than that and hit that $40,000 price. Let's look at these charts real quick. All right, so that's the daily time frame. Let's look at the market in Yearn finance on a 2-day, and you can see that over the last 3 2-day price bars, which is inclusive of the current one, the price in Yearn finance definitely saw some weakness, right? But what we're still seeing the ability of the market trying to sustain that price from actually dropping further. That's positive. 3-day time frame. Take a look at this on a 3-day. That last completed 3-day price bar is indicative of selling. But take a look at what's going on now. We're still seeing the market having the ability to try to go higher. All of this is sentiment. All of this is what people are feeling in the market in Yearn finance. You need to follow what people are feeling. If the market was truly bearish, well, in the next 7 hours and 25 minutes, right? We still got that long before this current 3-day price bar ends. And if it was going to end in the next 5 minutes at the high, I would say that the price in Yearn finance is still strong, and I would still be expecting the price to go higher. But we got 7 hours left, and more than likely this current 3-day price bar is not going to look the way that it looks now. But under the auspice of what we're seeing today, as of this particular second, yes, Yearn finance is giving us a lot of strength right now. So let me see it on the weekly time frame. It's a mixed bag. The current weekly price bar, which is right here, let me show you. We are seeing how the market in Yearn finance is a great battle between the buyers and the sellers. When you see the market close right there to where we started the week, it was a great battle between those who are trying to increase the price of Yearn finance and those who are trying to sell. So it's kind of like a wash. So this upcoming trading week in Yearn finance is going to give us a little bit more information as to, can that strength be sustained. Looking at this from the daily time frame, we sure can see that market continue to go higher. But from this weekly perspective, we're seeing a wash. That's even here on the 2 weeks time frame. 3 weeks time frame, again, it's a probable precursor of strength. Now, one thing that is decent on this current 3-week price bar is that the volume is not extreme. So what we're seeing from a longer term perspective is that the market really appreciates the price trading right around this vicinity. Okay, and that's from $25,000, $25,500 all the way up there to 440. we can literally see the market bounce in between those areas in the long term. Okay. This is the monthly time frame. We're already seeing a wash to start out the month of July. Obviously, it's not going to be the same in the next 20 days. But so far, the market is stable, which is something that we need to see in order to have the price go higher, right? We can't have the market acting erratically in order for price to go higher. It needs to be calm. It needs to be stable, because prices to go higher, it takes a lot longer, right? For instance, this is the monthly chart. Look how many months it took for the market in Yearn Finance to go higher. And look how long it took the market in Yearn Finance to go back down. 1 month versus plenty of months to try to increase the price. All right, so now let me take it back over to the daily, because I kind of like it still. I still want to bring it to your attention that this area here is restriction, right? So let me show you. Okay, so be on guard, be prepared for the market in Yearn Finance to try to hit some selling there, right there around $35,000. Okay, just be prepared, because if I take this back to the background, that area was acting as support back in June. Now it is going to be acting as restriction, because the market in Yearn Finance could not break above that price. We did for a small stint and came right back down. So keep your eyes open for that $35,000 price. But we like it. We're still going to continue on with our prediction into the market in Yearn Finance. Again, this is the type of play to where you need to be in position to skim off some profits while you have it. So yeah, we're going to continue to ride in this prediction in Yearn Finance. I like what the chart is still giving us in terms of seeing this price go higher. All right. Remember, $35,000 though is the first area restriction, back up to around 36, right there. All right, so this is it. Just pretty much wanted to come in and give everyone who's interested in Yearn Finance an update as to what we're seeing in terms of where price is going to go. So far, so good. We're still looking for this price in Yearn Finance to give us some increases in price. Now it's your turn. You're part of our team, part of our community. Call the market. You need to see where price is going to go so that you can get in your own position and win. So leave us a comment in the comment section and tell us, where do y'all think the price is going to go in Yearn Finance? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.